everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I get all my nails done by myself at home. If you're interested on seeing how I get these nails done, then please go ahead and keep watching. As you can see right now, I'm only having this side of the nails done. So I'm going to show you how I did this on this side. Here is all of the tools I have to do my own nails. UV light, top coat, base coat. This is the yellow shade that I have right now. And this one is the shimmer shade, which is this one. Poly gel for my extension, fake nails, a tweezer from Benefit, 2 nail clippers, a tool to push my cuticle, and this is actually a tool to wash your bottles, but I use this to clean up my nails before applying anything. Nail shaper and another one. And here is my brush. And then at the other end, this is another tool for you to apply your gel. And here I have my stickers. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is to push my cuticles back by using this tool right here. And then I'm gonna use the other end, which is more pointed and sharper, and to cut out all of the dead skins that I have on my nails. And then I'm going to use this tool to clean off. Once it's done, I'm going to take this shaper to blur out my surface. You want to make sure that you don't miss out this area right here. This is the place that we tend to forget. Next thing I'm gonna do is to measure this plastic nails. And then I'm gonna take this clear poly gel. You want to make sure this part in between your real nails and gel, you want to make sure that it's thick enough, because this part is really tricky. If you don't do it thick enough, then it's gonna break. Make sure that there's no air in between, so if you can see some space which is not perfect, then you can adjust it. As you can see, there's some excess gel right here, so you're gonna want to take your brush to take off. And then you also want to plate to the inner part and then adjust it. Next step is to cure it. Sometimes it can get a little bit too hot, then you can just leave it up and then do it again. What I also like to do is to cure the back. And then what you're gonna do is to open this. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of the nails. So I've done with all of the nails. Now what I'm gonna do is to shape my nails to this shape. Next, I'm gonna shape my nails into this more precisely. Alright, now the shape is perfect. So what I'm gonna do right now is to blur out the surface. Alright, now the shape is perfect. This is what I wanted. So what I'm gonna do right now is to put on the color. So first thing first, a base coat. Cure it. And I always like to cure my thumb separately because I think the position is a little bit off when you put all together at once. That's what I love to do, as in do my thumb separately and then do this for another time. Then I'm going to do the same for the rest. And then don't forget to also paint the sides of the nails. Now I'm gonna put my shimmer color first. So I'm gonna do the same as my right side. I'm gonna have to paint around 3 to 4 coats to make sure the color shows. Okay, now it's like 3 coats. Now I'm gonna put top coat. Top coat cured. Now I'm gonna move on to the yellow color. Okay, now it's the last step. I'm gonna put on the stickers. So I'm taking this tweezer from Benefits. Put a top coat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next one.